If you have not yet started your own YouTube channel, then you're missing out. Steph Curry has a YouTube channel. Shaq has a YouTube channel. Even billionaire Bill Gates has a YouTube channel. Now, why do all these successful, highly successful millionaire and billionaire people have YouTube channels? What's the reason behind it? The reason so many people are starting to create YouTube channels and create videos is because, number one, it's absolutely free and it builds a brand. And the reason why you need a brand in 2020 and beyond is because this is the new way of marketing. Back in the 1990s, in the 2000s, in the 2010 era, all that, right? More and more people wanted to be celebrities. They wanted to make money. They wanted to become famous. They want to be seen. They want people to ask for their autograph when they're out on the streets. Well, now in 2020, that's not the case. More people are becoming famous on social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and now TikTok. So, if you want to become something, if you want to build a legacy, build a brand, YouTube's where you need to be. Now, let me tell you a little bit of a story. When I first started on YouTube, I think I started, it was probably 2008, 2007, somewhere around there, okay? I started YouTube back early on when YouTube was still fairly new. Not a lot of people were recording videos. It was more on blogging and stuff like that, right? And I started creating YouTube videos. And I remember my very first video was absolutely terrible. It sucked, okay? I had a tough time watching it. It was so bad. But I put it out there for the world to see. The whole world didn't see it. I think there was less than 1,000 people that ended up watching that video. But here's the reason why that's so important. Is because that one video, that one decision, changed my life forever. A lot of people ask me, why do I create YouTube videos? Why do I teach people how to make money online? Why do I teach people how to build a business, how to create sales funnels and write emails and do all this stuff? Okay, reselling and everything, right? Why do I teach other people how to do that? And the number one reason that I always give people is because I want other people to feel the same way I feel. Have that same fulfillment. I feel valuable. It doesn't matter how much money I have in the bank. The reason I feel valuable is because I'm giving out value, quality content, teaching people how to do something that's going to change their life forever and for the better. Not only can YouTube change your life for the better by giving you fulfillment and making you feel valuable, it can also put money in your bank account. Let me explain. Now, if you've never looked at YouTube as a way to make money, to earn an income, then I want to change that for you today. So I'm going to put a link down in the description box where I'm going to show you how to make $500 every single month by creating one YouTube video. It's a simple training. It takes about 20 minutes to watch the video and go through the simple step-by-step process that I walk you through. I show you the entire thing absolutely free. And all you got to do is follow it. Okay? And so if you can do this, you can make over $500 every single month and only have one YouTube video out to the public, out for people to see. The reason why this is so impactful, this is going to change your life forever, is because it's one single YouTube video. Okay? And this video is going to teach you how to make over $500 passively. That means passive income. That means you do the work once and you continue to make money from that video. And the reason why this is so beneficial is because most people, their passive income is zero. It's absolutely nothing. So it doesn't matter if you're sleeping, you're working out, you're working your 9-to-5 job, or you're hanging out with friends. You will still make money from this YouTube video. Not only can you make money directly from a YouTube video by promoting affiliate products, which is essentially what I'm showing you inside the training. Now, I walk you through the entire process, show you exactly how to do it and how it's so effective, why it works, okay? So it's not just promoting affiliate products. That's what I'm gonna show you how to do, but there's more to it than that. So again, if you haven't watched the training, go and click that link down in the description box below and go and check it out. But you can make much more than that. Let me give you another example. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Adam Snyder. Okay, I am the homemade entrepreneur, and what I do is I have a bunch of YouTube channels. I have over 30 different YouTube channels, and there's only 3 YouTube channels on business or finance. Every other channel is on something completely different. Okay, with that said, I have one channel where I talk mostly about travel and budget travel and stuff like that. And on that channel, I have 4 videos. 4 videos, that's it. And I make money from that channel by selling a simple how-to guide. This guide costs $17. Anybody can buy it. And from those 4 videos, I've already got 38 sales. 38 sales from 4 videos at $17 a piece. You do the math. And guess what the best part is? I created that guide one time. It's a very short guide, has a few videos, it's mostly text. That guide probably took me about 4 to 5 hours to create. And again, I'm making $17 per sale. After fees from Stripe or PayPal, however they decide to pay, I'm still making like $16 for every single sale. So again, think about it. Now, let's say you're not worried about making money. You make a lot of money. You make $15,000, $20,000 a month, right? Or am I wrong? Do you not make $15,000 or $20,000 a month? If you don't, well, guess what? You can on YouTube. I'm not saying everybody can, everybody does it, but a lot of people do. So what I'm telling you is go and figure out what kind of channel should you create? What do you like to do? Maybe you absolutely love pets. Create a channel on pets. Maybe you absolutely love mowing your yard, pulling weeds out of the garden. Well, make a channel about mowing your yard and pulling weeds out of the garden. I know a lot of people that do that. Maybe you absolutely love basketball and just critiquing and hammering and slamming all the NBA players on what they did wrong in their games. Well, make a channel on that. Maybe you have a hobby of tasting the worst dishes in the world, right? It's just dishes from other countries. You eat bugs and beetles and grass and dirt and plants, right? Maybe that's what you have a passion for. Well, grab a camera or your phone, okay? Again, everyone has a phone. Grab your phone, record a video. Record yourself eating the beetle. Record yourself eating the slug, right? I'm not saying go out there and do it, but if this is your passion, create a video on it, because I guarantee you, go and look right now, okay? Above this video, type in man eats slug. Type it in, eating a beetle. Type that in. I guarantee you there's videos out there on that exact thing. Now, how do you make money by showing people how to eat a beetle or a bug or a slug or a worm or grass? How do you do that, right? Probably think that's crazy. Nobody's gonna watch that. Well, people do watch that. A lot of people love it. And there's a lot of things you can promote. Most people that do something completely unique, completely out of the ordinary, sell stuff like merchandise, a t-shirt, a coffee mug, okay, a mouse pad with a little logo on it, sell it for 20 bucks, where it costs maybe $2 to make, $3 to make, and they make the difference. That's good business, and you can make that kind of money right here on YouTube. So if you haven't decided yet to start a YouTube channel, now's the time to do so. And I say this because more and more people are starting YouTube channels. And if you wait too long, what's gonna happen is it becomes very competitive for you to get into the game. Okay, I'm not saying it's hard now. I'm saying in 2, 3, 4, 5 years, it's gonna be a lot harder than it is today. If you would have started 4 years ago when I told everybody to start, okay, if you didn't see that video, I'm not gonna link to it now because it's so far in the past, but if you didn't see that video, you didn't start 4 years ago like I told you, then you missed out. It's gonna be harder today than it was 4 years ago. And it was harder 4 years ago than it was back in 2008, okay? So just understand, starting today is gonna be the best decision you ever made. Now, let me give you some tips for starting on YouTube. Because this is where most people struggle, is they just don't know where to go. What is the first step? The first step is choosing a niche, a topic, a category for your videos. If you don't know what that niche, topic, or category could be, just think about what you like to do. For example, I like to go hiking and mountain biking. I love finance and business. Okay, I love my family, my kids, pets. Okay, I love to travel. I love to eat, love to work out. I love soccer and football and basketball and golf. Okay, so what I decided to do when I very first started was I decided I wanted to create a video, create a channel based around the thing that I do the most. And that was work. I work the most. At the time I started, I only had one kid, okay? Only had one kid. And what we decided, my wife and I decided, is if I'm always working, why not document what I'm doing, show people the passion that I have for this business, and eventually, who knows, maybe they'll follow along, maybe they'll like what I'm showing them. And when I first started my channel, I didn't know there was money to be made in affiliate links. I knew I did affiliate marketing before I started my channel, but I really didn't understand there's a lot of people putting links inside their description box. So eventually the money came. But when I started, it wasn't about the money, it was about the passion. So find something you're passionate about, find something that you do almost on a daily basis, and start there. The second tip that I have for you guys when it comes to starting a YouTube channel, and a successful YouTube channel, is you need to focus on building value, whether it's entertainment wise, okay, or educational. Build value. And the reason I say this is because if all you're trying to do is ask, you're asking for stuff. Hey, pay me this, give me this, I need this. Okay, what's gonna happen is people are gonna stop following you, they're never gonna watch your video. But if you're always giving information, okay, giving quality information, more value, hey, do this. You wanna lose weight? This is the steps that you need to take. Oh, you wanna travel for free? Okay, follow these steps, follow these tips. These are the tricks that I do, right? Oh, you wanna make the best, chicken Alfredo in the world? Do this, do these steps in this order. Give value. And I can tell you right now, the more value you give today, the more money you can ask for in the future. The more items you can promote in the future. The more your audience will give you because they've got more value from you. So if you want to make more money, get more value now, you're going to get more in the future. The third tip that I have for you guys that everybody needs to know is your first video is going to suck. Your audio is going to be horrible. Your lighting is going to be terrible. Your actual message on your video may never come across. But what you need to understand is your second video is going to be better. Your third video is going to be better than that. Your fourth is going to be much better than your first. So just understand, everybody starts with a bad video and we build from there. So if you can do that and get past the I don't want people to see that, I don't have a face for video, I have a face for radio, well, you got to get through that. You got to get past that. Okay? Nobody likes the way they look. Nobody likes the way they sound. Everybody hates their first video. So get past it and make the second one. And the fourth tip that I have for you guys, something that is huge that I did and I try to get all my students that take any of my courses on YouTube. Okay, if you don't know what courses I have, I'll put a link down in the description box below to a course. It's called The Passive YouTuber, where I teach people how to make more of a passive income off of YouTube. But what I teach them, okay, is to reach out to somebody, reach out to a mentor, reach out to other channels that are very similar to their own and see what they're doing right, what they're doing correctly, and do that exact same thing. Don't copy them. Don't copy their titles, their video ideas, and their thumbnails, everything, word for word and thumbnail for thumbnail. What I'm saying to do is take their ideas, okay, pull them in, make them better, and dish that out to your viewers, dish that out to your audience and your community. If you do this, video after video after video, what's gonna happen is more and more people are gonna see it, they're gonna like it, they're gonna subscribe, and they're gonna continue to watch every single one of your videos, which means you're gonna have more views, gonna have more subscribers, and eventually more money. So if you're just starting out and you need help, look at me as a mentor. I can help you out. You obviously see the channel right here. I grew this channel. It didn't take 10 years, didn't take a year. I wasn't an overnight success. But I built this channel to over 100,000 subscribers with consistency, with hard work, with determination, and video after video after video. There's over 1,000 videos on this channel alone. And I've created every single one of those videos. I put in a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of hours. So if you need help, you need a mentor, you need somebody to guide you, look at me. I'm here to help you out any way that I can. So first off, go and get that training, okay? How to make $500 in 1 month by creating one single YouTube video. If you have any other questions, ask them down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, like always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.